Shikoh, those are some really interesting comments, especially as it relates to context and the significance of context in the African content. The question I'd like to bring to you now is, can you share one or two examples that have been successfully leveraged for development in Kenya?
Oh, thank you very much for that question. So I'll start with my favorite topic in Africa in terms of platforms, and that's agriculture. So agriculture is not going away because you're never going to stop eating. So I love looking at what are the trends in terms of agriculture and where are people going in terms of technology in agriculture. While we might not be able to plant food digitally and be able to consume it digitally, we need like a physical piece of land or somewhere to do this. Technology is actually helping facilitate better productivity for agriculture. So one of my favorite platforms is a platform that was built by Celiland out in Nigeria, and it's in a few countries in West Africa. I think Nigeria, Liberia, and maybe Benin, I think. And what they have done is they have facilitated a single platform where you bring farmers, producers, credit providers into a single platform, such that productivity of the farmers is not inhibited by access to finance or access to inputs into their farms. On the other hand, because everything is being tracked, I know that Nazepo is growing corn in Lagos State, and we are going to be expecting 50 tons of maize from her. I am able to go and find market for that produce and be able to make sure that she's not losing anything from producing this kind of produce. And that 360 look at agriculture from a farmer's point of view has been amazing. In fact, I believe the current president of the AFDB won the Africa Food Prize because of that initiative. And it's something that is being copied across Africa. And that's what technology can do. It can actually change the nature and the trajectory of an industry. And agriculture is one of my favorite one. My other one is mobility. And what I'm liking about mobility is it stopped being a mobility solution to being a lifestyle solution. So I'll take Little Cabs in Kenya, for example. Little started like the Uber for Kenya, quote unquote, because it started off as a cab company. They just move people from point A to point B. And then COVID happened. And what happens? People stopped moving around. So somebody had to rethink the business model for Little. And they already had some payment solution that they already built previously. So what they did is they built these payment solutions and they started delivering for us food at home. And then they started delivering for us drinks. And now they're becoming a royalty platform for all the malls. So every mall you go into Nairobi right now, you get a little person who is going to be onboarding you into their platform. What they're getting to know is, what is my spending habit? When I go into a mall, which shops am I going to? And how much money am I spending? And with that, they're able to provide for me extra services. I'm able to do more on that platform. And that growth it's grown from just a mobility platform to being my lifestyle platform. I'm able to run my life using a little app. Now they're calling it a little app. And for me, that is quite powerful in itself. Yeah. Thank you.